Hi, my name is Kristen Lewinka, and I wanted to show you a little bit about how to use Google Docs to get work done while collaborating with others. The easiest way to get started is to go on the internet to www.google.com. Then you're going to click on Documents along the top bar. You're going to be prompted to either sign in if you already have a Gmail account or sign up for one that's free and really easy. I'm going to sign into mine. And once I'm on the Docs menu, you're going to see a couple of things. I'm going to just temporarily use the old look, but there is a new look for it. Pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can create or add, but you can see that I already have a bunch of Google Docs created. Now, once you look at the left-hand column, you can see that you can create your own new one, or you can choose to upload something that is already created. So I'm going to choose to upload something that's already created. I'm going to go to my files, and it's going to bring me to all of my files. I'm going to go to softball, and I'm going to make a scrimmage outline. Once I add it, we could convert it to the normal file format. That's a fine thing to do. Once your upload's complete, you can now click on it here, or you can click on it here, either one. When I click on it, you're going to see that we now have our scrimmage and what's happening in each of these innings. Now, if I wanted to, I could then begin to type in just like a regular Word document. I could change the text, I could change the font, I could change any of the formatting styles. I could also add a link. Once I start typing, I can include pretty much anything that you could in a normal document. But the exciting thing, and I'll just add a couple of things here, the exciting thing is that once you've finalized a couple of parts of it, you can then choose to send it or share it with other people that are going to work on the exact same thing. Once I click share, you're then going to be prompted to add either by email address or by other form of contact who you want to be able to work on the same document with you. For some reason, I'm getting an error message. Let's see. Private only to me. Okay, here we go. I don't know why that didn't work for 1 second. So I am the owner of the site. If I wanted to add people, all I'd have to do is type in their names, and you'll see that you'll get these email addresses that come right up. If they're already connected via your Gmail account, your contacts might come up really easily. I can choose to notify them via email, or if they already know, I can just share and save. Now, once I add these invitations, they're now going to be licensed to work on this document from their own computer. So Google Docs, the best thing about it is that it's a really easy way for people to collaborate without actually having to be at the same spot at the same time. They can do it from home on their own computer. Now I'm going to go back and show you a couple of my other works that have already been collaborated on. For example, my Norseman softball schedule. If you look at it, and this is another version of a Google Doc where instead of using a Word document, I'm using an Excel spreadsheet. All I have to do is add or share people to it, and they can now add their own contact information, and then I can have a file that's saved without actually having to see or meet with those people in person. Other things that I've added here are PowerPoint presentations. You can add them if you're working on a project in a classroom and you need to continue work outside of the classroom. All you have to do is add a presentation, like a PowerPoint presentation. Again, you can insert slides, you can insert images, you can make transitions. This works exactly like the Microsoft Office documents and Excel spreadsheets and PowerPoint presentations do normally, but now multiple people can work on them at the exact same time. You can choose to add comments, so you can say you added certain aspects, and as soon as you send that, she's going to get that comment and she's going to be able to respond to it or add that or edit her work in terms of however you decided to go about that. Okay? So Google Docs is the best way to easily collaborate with somebody who you may not be able to actually get in contact face to face. So let's review. Google Docs, the first thing and the foremost thing is that it's the best way to cooperate and collaborate. All you have to do is go to google.com, click Documents on the top of the bar, sign in or create your free Gmail account. Click either Create or Upload to add a new work. This could be a Word document, a spreadsheet, or a PowerPoint presentation. Click Share to invite other people to work on that project. You can add comments to let each other know what progress you made or what they can add. And you can format and stylize your work just as if you were using the basic Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope this is very useful to you as I found it to be in my life.